Hello students, in today's topic we are going to learn about HCF and LCF. So what is HCF and LCF? HCF means highest common factor. So what is highest common factor? Suppose you have three numbers, among the numbers which will be the common factor, which will be the highest common factor, that is the HCF. So let's try with some example. Okay, so the HCF, for finding HCF there are various methods. So the most common method is the prime factorization method. Prime factorization method and the division method, or sometimes it is called long division method also. Okay. So, prime factorization method, let's take some examples. Suppose I am taking an example of two numbers, suppose 42 and 60. So, in the prime factorization method, what you have to do? You have to do prime factorization of these numbers separately. So, for prime factorization, you know two different methods, that is the factor tree method and the prime factorization method by factorization method. So, I am using the factorization method, you can use the factor tree also. So if I factorize it, and if I factorize 60, I will get 30 here, then 250, then 3, 5. So this is the number what I am getting. So 42 is equals to 2 multiply 3 multiply 7, and 60 equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. So these are the factors of these two numbers. Now we have to find the HCF. So HCF is the highest common factor. So HCF is equals to. So first of all we have to find how many common factors are there. There is one common, that is 2. There is another common, that is 3. There is nothing else which is common. Here is 1, 2 and 5 extra. Here is 1, 7 extra. So we will reject those. So HCF is equals to 3 into 10 equals to 6. So this is one method, prime factorization method. In this prime factorization method, we have to first find the prime factorization of the number by factorization method, or you can apply the factor tree method. But you have to find the factors of the number, then you have to find the HCF by finding the common factors. That's all. So now we see how the division method works. Okay. So in case of the division method, this is one of my favorite methods because this is very suitable for any larger number. For very smaller number, you can do the factorization easily. But if you have 3-digit, 4-digit number, then it is very difficult or very time consuming to do the factorization. So in that case, division method is very handy. So let's take some examples. I am taking a few large numbers as examples. Suppose 450, 625 and suppose 700. So these three numbers HCF we have to find. So the procedure is very simple. First take the smallest number and then the larger number from this number. So this is the larger number. So we simply divide this. 450 divided by 625. So 1 is 450. Now we have to continue this division. This divisor will come as a dividend. Okay. So 450 now 350, then 100. We have to continue this division until we get 0 as dividend. So again this divisor will come as a dividend. 100, then 25, again 100, 25, 4 So our division is completed. Now we will stop. Now this is the common divisor of these two numbers, but we have another number. So we have to divide this number with this number again. So again 25, 3 are 75 and 0. So this is the divisor of this number also. So now we can say the HCF of these three numbers is is the last divisor, that is 25. Okay, so this is very handy in case of larger number, and here you do not need to think about the factors. What will be the factors? What will be, by which number this will be divisible? We do not need to think about it. We simply have to do the division, continuously do the division until the numbers we get the remainder as 0. Okay, so this is the two different methods of prime factorization, method of finding LCM, and division method of finding HCF. Okay, so our next topic is LCM, that is least common multiple. So what are multiples of a number? Suppose if I have a number that is 5, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20 and continuous. It will never end. But in case of factors, suppose I have factor 15, the number 15, the factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5 and 15, and these are limited. But the multiples of a number are not limited. Actually, how we are getting the multiples of a number? Simply by multiplying with natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4. If we multiply by 5 with 1, 2, 3, 4, we are getting the multiples of a number. So LCM means least common multiple. So here also 2, 3, 4, 5, any number can be there. So let's start with few numbers. But first of all, LCM is, to find the LCM, we have 3 different methods or 3 different procedures. How can you find the LCM? So the first one is listing multiples method. Then we have factorization method. Factorization, or we can say prime factorization also. And third one is the division method. But this division is not called as long division method like HCF. In HCF, the division is also called long division method, but here it is division method. I will show the procedure. So first of all, the easiest method, that is the listing multiple method, but a long method. It is a long procedure. Let's take an example of few numbers. Suppose 4, 6 and 12. What will be the LCM of these 3 numbers? So first of all, we have to list the multiples of 4. So we'll write like this. Multiples of 4. Then we write the multiples of 4, like 4. It is a tiring process. We have to write many numbers in some cases. Let's see. Up to 28 I have written. Let's see. Then multiples of 6. So 6, 12, 18, 24, and always keeping in mind the numbers what you have written earlier. So 24, I got 24, and I will write one next number, that is 30, and I will keep looking into what will happen later. So multiples of, it may happen that we need more, then we will write later. So of 12 is 12, 24, yes, I got one common here, and then 36 will stop. So as the name refers, least, smallest one. So the first one I got, and definitely I will get some other multiples, common multiples, but I need the least one, smallest one. So therefore LCM is equals to 24. That's all. Now we'll move into the next method, that is the factorization. So the next method, that is prime factorization method. In this prime factorization method, we are taking 2 examples, that is suppose 45 and 60. So similarly, like the previous method, we have to factorize this one. 45 factorized by 3, that is 50, and 3 again, that is 5. It can be done by 2. So 30. Similarly, we have to write like this: 45 is equals to 3 multiply 3 multiply 5, and 60 is equals to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5. Now the LCM. For finding the LCM, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find the common factors here. So here I can see 1, 3, another 3, then 1 5, another 5. So this is the procedure of HCF, but in case of LCM we have to take the other factors also. So 1 3, this one, and 2 multiply. So this is the LCM. So 5 to the 10, 3 3 is 9 to the 80. So this is our LCM. This is much smaller procedure. In this process we can do very much easily the calculation. Okay. Now the last method, that is the division method, and the most effective method. You can use this method for finding LCM of 3 4 5 6 as many numbers you want, and you can do the calculation all together. So let's see how it works. For this I am taking few examples, that is 39, 45 and 54. Okay. So for that we have to do the factorization of all three numbers, or all 4 5, how many numbers are there, all together. So 39, 45. First of all, we factorize all three together with a number which is a factor of all three numbers or all four numbers. If not possible, we will take at least two numbers. Like here, all three numbers are divisible by 3. So it is 13, 15, 8. So now you can see that all three numbers are not divisible by any number, but these two numbers are divisible. So if any two number is divisible, we have to continue the factorization. It is not mandatory in case of LCM that all the numbers we have to divide. But first of all, we have to check that if by any number all the numbers are divisible or not. If divisible, we have to do that. Okay. So now you can see that with these two numbers we can continue with. So by 3 it is divisible. So by 3 it is not divisible. So we will write this number directly here. There will be no change. So 3 5 is 15. 3 6 that is 8. So now no more calculation is possible. There is nothing by which these three numbers is divisible. So we will write the LCM like this. We will take all the factors. That is 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 6. So after doing the multiplication, we get the answer. So these are the three processes of doing the multiplication of LCM. In your book, these two methods are mentioned from there. The exercises are given, and in case of HCF also, prime factorization and the long division methods are mentioned. The exercise is based on those two methods. So I hope the topic that I have discussed today, you understand it properly. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.